Okay. Ano? Basic. Sir, basic. Sabi ng taga-Dubai, basic daw. Our Mr. and Mrs. Sumatra! Come on! Wala pa ka natin sila. Kwado! Okay. We're gonna sing the song to younger sister. Music, DJ. Tell me when will you be Kwado. Ang dami ng kwado yun. Ang kwado. Bring it on, DJ. Dayang kayo. Ay, di ko inasa. Say it again. In our barrio, we call it dayang. But in your place, you call it
Dayang.
Ay, nako, this is really a great evening. Dayang, can you do the dayang? In your own version, we will dance Taga-sang ka?
Apilado Fort lang Takurong Eastleigh.
Apilado Fort Black Takurong District? Ay, ganun pala. How old are you?
Standard 11 years old.
Ay, standard? Ay, ganun. Nakakaloka. Sure ka na ba? Sure ka na?
I'm 100% of course.
Okay, let's do the dayang. Music, DJ.
Ako ay isang
Wala na! Iba yun! Let's do it!
Little groom pa yan siya.
You are the little groom. If you will be given a chance to become the little bride, would you like to be the little bride or the little groom still?
I don't know.
Okay, sige, do not decide. You are still 12 standard. Music, DJ! Thank you so much! Very genuine! Woo! Alright. 1, 2. Congratulations! We have a winner! Uy, ang pogi nitong... Ay, ang pogi! Sir, what's your name?
Jackster po.
Jackster from?
Takarang din.
Takurong. Okay. Ay! Ay! Nagdadakot! Walang instruction pero gusto ko yan. Eliza and Jonas, unang gagayahin nila ay ang yakapan ninyong dalawa. Yakap! Tignan nyo, Dexter, tignan mo. Ganyan. Ay! Huminga! Akin na muna yung bouquet mo, ma. Tama lang naman, nasa tamang edad na tayo. Huwag nyo lang pigilan ang mga sarili nyo. Okay. Ano?
Basic.
Sir, basic! Sabi ng taga-Dubai, basic daw. Nausubukan ng taga-Takurong. 1, 2, 3, sir. Yakapin mo na. Yakapin mo tapos yan dalawa. Okay. Uy! Ang sarap ng yakap mo! Chen, ipakita mo ang basic ngayong gabi.